Here we have a PentaxMESuper150914 SLR with the Pentax M 1.7 50mm lens. Comes with this generic lens cap and strap, and everything that I've tried on this works properly. The shutter is very nice and quiet, and if we set this on auto, it will pick a shutter speed based on your aperture that you set here. And we see that the lens is stopping down properly. It also has a manual setting here that allows you to set the shutter speed up and down with these buttons here, and I verified that that works. In the viewfinder you can see the shutter speed that you're selecting. On the 125X, that will always do a 125th of a second even with no batteries. And then the bulb setting here. This camera also has a self-timer, which incidentally the Pentax K1000 does not have. And we see the timer works fine. If we look around the back here, seems to be in pretty good shape. If we open it up, we see the shutter. It's a metal vertically traveling shutter. If we just set that on the bulb setting so we can see it, works good. The crank looks good. The pressure plate over here looks good. I feel a little bit of stickiness, and we can see here in the video some of the light seal material on the top and bottom edges of the door. So that should be replaced at some point. It's a little bit, this is kind of like a felt here, so that doesn't feel like it's deteriorated. Door closes properly. We go back around the front and we take the lens off. You can see inside here, the mirror flips up nice. This foam up here at the top is a little bit gummy. It serves its purpose, but at some point that should be replaced. If we look over here at the lens, we can see the focus is very nice and smooth. That works very nicely. The aperture has a nice detent at each setting, and if we look here, nice quick aperture blades. Mounts properly into the camera. This comes with this case, which this would fit around the strap lugs, and then the front piece fits onto the back. This case is not in very good condition. You can see it's coming apart here. In fact, you may not even want to use that, but it will come with the camera as shipping protection. It does say Pentax on the front. Snaps around the back. Typical of 1970s camera cases, it has not withstood the test of time well.